So I guess this is what I get. I asked Ryan Savage Sr. to help me with the body problem. This is the result. He decided to fix this door by pounding it out. Let's see if that's great. Right here by the emblem. See that? Pounded that out. Decided he was going to mess around up here. So I'm going to order the part for that headlight right there. Which I did, it's in the trunk. And then proceeded to not put the part right here, that my hood right here, see that? It's supposed to latch onto here. It just flew off on Highway 50. I'm lucky to be alive. Really lucky. So now, the hood is smashed. The windshield is shattered. See that? I'll take another video in the morning. The roof is smashed. The interior is hanging down. And I was sitting right there in the passenger seat. So I'm very lucky to be alive. Him, maybe not so much.